अब हम 4 नहीं, ये 24 लोग हैं जो घिस रहे हैं। अब तू ये सिक्का उछाल के डिसीजन नहीं ले सकता।
Hello and welcome to Do I Like It, a Quint production where we review anything and everything under the sun. मैं हूँ प्रतीक and in this episode I'll tell you do I like TVF Pictures Season 2. TVF Pictures Season 2 is the second season of Pictures, the web series by TVF. Okay, that was redundant. I'm like thoda sa shocked still because I was up last night watching all the 5 episodes and it's finally out, dude. Matlab, let's just give a hand to the guys because it has been a long wait. मेरा ना पिक्चर्स के साथ बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है बिकॉज 2015 में आया था एंड तब मैं इंजीनियरिंग के फर्स्ट ईयर में था. आई वॉज जस्ट आउट ऑफ स्कूल, you know, stuck in a field that I didn't want to pursue, just like our 4 co-founders. And मतलब times were different. Netflix तब तक इंडिया में नहीं आया था, OTT वगैरह didn't exist. मतलब मुझे याद है I would have 1 GB internet for the whole month. Just imagine. मतलब मेरा आज का daily plan उससे ज़्यादा है. And in my circle, in engineering colleges, in, you know, MBA, all of that places, TVF Pictures was a rage. I mean, डायलॉग्स लाइक तू बियर है, हम गुंडे नहीं एंटरप्रेन्योर है, जूरी रूम एटसेट्रा, ये सब हम ऐसे चलते फिरते बोलते थे. सो टू हैव अ शो लाइक दैट कम विद इट्स सेकंड सीजन, इट वाज स्पेशल at least for me and even I assume for people who were there with me उस समय पे. हम लोग सब मतलब काफ़ी टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे कि भाई पिक्चर्स सीजन 2 कब आ रहा है बिकॉज था. ठीक है, सो अब अगर मेरी नॉस्टैल्जिया ट्रिप हो गई हो, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सीजन 2. इस सीजन में द गेम इज अ बिट डिफरेंट. नाउ it's not just 4 friends, you know, leaving their job and starting a company. वो सब हो गया. It's been 7 years since season 1 where they got their seed fund, their company Pragati AI. It's in business. By the way, I was very excited because first season में उन्होंने बिल्कुल भी product के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बताया था. इस season में भी ज़्यादा कुछ बताया नहीं है, but at least we now have a name. The name is Pragati AI, Pragati.ai. So काफ़ी मतलब ऐसा realistic times में जी रहे हैं. And it's in business and just like any story that has a happy ending, असली गेम तो भाई अब शुरू हुई है. फर्स्ट सीजन में हमको अभिषेक बैनर्जी उर्फ भाटी ने बताया था कि भाई तू बियर है, तेरा काम है बहना. वही भाटी सेकेंड सीजन के फर्स्ट एपिसोड में हमारा और नवीन का बबल बर्स्ट करता है कि भाई अब टाइम चेंज हो गया है, बियर से काम नहीं चलेगा, एंड में चढ़ती तो विस्की है. इट्स लाइक अ वेरी नाइस डायलॉग एंड दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ सम्स अप द होल आर्क ऑफ द सीजन. इन द फर्स्ट सीजन द गैंग हैड टू फाइट देयर इनर डीमन, सैक्रिफाइस, फैमिली, रिलेशनशिप एटसेट्रा. But now they are in the ruthless world of startups. They have 24 employees to take care of. And this is what I felt was season 2's biggest strength. Just like their app Pragati, the writers pivoted at the right time to make a feel-good show more mature and, you know, realistic and murky. First season में क्या हो रहा था कि मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम आती थी, नवीन थोड़ा सा कुछ जुगाड़ करता था, स्पीच देता था एंड एवरीबडी वुड बी सो जस्ट बिविल्डर्ड बाय देयर पैशन कि सब कन्विंस हो जाते थे, है ना. बट सेकेंड सीजन इज मच मोर रूथलेस. एवरीबडी इज पैशनेट. हमें पता चलता है कि नवीन जो फर्स्ट सीजन में एकदम ऐसा भगवान टाइप लगता था, हमेशा सही डिसीजन लेता है, ये सब वो सब, अब हमें पता चल रहा है कि नहीं भाई उसकी भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. मंडल, हु यूज्ड टू बी अ कॉमिक रिलीफ, बिकम्स द वॉइस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस इन दिस सीजन. तो मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा दैट इन द 7 years द राइटिंग हैज matured. Another thing I really liked was that it was very realistic. जैसे I really liked that they explored the kind of toll running a startup takes on your health और it takes on your overall personality. तो ये सब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मतलब बहुत maturity आई है राइटिंग में. There was a scene in which one of the co-founder gets hospitalized and it then talks about the kind of impact having such a startup had on their health. तो वो काफ़ी बहुत अच्छा लगा. And also मतलब it was a very rooted real India because it had a very slight passing remark about privilege and caste. तो मतलब मुझे नहीं पता हाउ कॉन्शियस इट वॉज कि अच्छा हमें इसको एक रियलिस्टिक और एक मच्योर सेटिंग में रखना है, और वॉज इट लाइक एन ऑर्गेनिक progression of them maturing as artists. But it was like a very welcome thing in the second season. And this is I mean, I would say it's a tough job because to continue such a successful show after so long, after the game has changed, after the startup game has changed, and after the OTT and content consumption ka game has changed, to still stick to the core but make a different product, I think that's commendable because I would say it is very different from the first season. और मुझे याद है, by the way, just going on a tangent, कि जब first season आया था, a lot of people had this criticism that Pictures paints a very rosy picture of startups कि मतलब it's all passion and तू beer है, job छोड़ दो, 9 to 5 बकवास होता है, blah blah blah. But this season addresses a lot of those complaints and works in that direction. And this should be props to Arunab and the director Vaibhav Bundu because after parting ways with Biswapati Sarkar, who had written the initial few shows of Pictures, they really did a very crucial task of holding on to the soul, but still, taking it forward. And now that I'm talking about parting ways, let's talk about the elephant in the room, Jeetu Bhaiya. He is obviously missing from Pragati and Pictures Season 2. और मुझे बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लगी कि उन्होंने इस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से एड्रेस करा है शो में, both logically and emotionally. I think it's a good use of a character who will be discontinuing because a lot of times I've seen कि characters just गायब हो जाते हैं. अगर उनके गायब होने का कोई रीजनिंग भी देते हैं शोज में तो वो गंदा सा रीजन देते हैं कि वो बाहर चला गया, ऑफ साइट पे चला गया. मतलब इट वुड हैव बीन वेरी इजी फॉर देम टू जस्ट से अच्छा जीतू को बेटर जॉब ऑफर मिल गया तो वो चला गया. एंड इट वुड हैव बीन डिसइनजेन्युअस बिकॉज ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि तुम पिक्चर्स जैसा शो बनाओ और हर एपिसोड में एटलीस्ट एक बार जीतू की बात ना करो. मुझे अच्छी बात लगी कि उन्होंने they kept reminding us that okay, Jeetu is missing because he was such an integral part of the starting 4 team. And along with that, they have dheere dheere se introduced many more characters which in the coming seasons will become your staple favorite characters. Like there is Appu, who's a developer. There is HR, मतलब उसका नाम ही HR है. There's a really nice ऐसा bit भी होता है उसमें कि तुम्हारी HR का कोई नाम नहीं है. The whole 24 employees that are working in Pragati, all of them are played by some really nice TVF regulars. So काफी अच्छा लगा मेरे को that they are expanding the team और मतलब it can only go up from here. Kudos to the actor who played Prachi. Her name is I think Riddhi Dogra and she is very calm and collected but still exudes that power in her demeanor. She is Naveen and Pragati's fund manager. And मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मेरे को her way of understanding this character and also HR जो उनकी HR होती है प्रगति की. I really liked her as well. So I think these two characters were a very nice addition in this season. What I didn't like particularly were some aspects of the writing. I mean overall the story आर्क्स वगैरह अच्छे थे बट हर एपिसोड में देयर वर मोमेंट्स व्हिच कुड हैव बीन टाइटर एंड इमोशनली स्ट्रॉन्गर. कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बहुत आसानी से सॉल्व हो रही हैं, कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बहुत कॉन्वल्यूटेड हैं एंड द कैरेक्टर मोटिवेशंस weren't 100% क्लियर. हर एपिसोड में थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन प्ले, मैं कहूँगा राइटिंग भी नहीं, स्टोरी वगैरह अच्छी थी, स्क्रीन प्ले थोड़ा सा टाइटर हो सकता था. एज इफ the guys are listening to me and taking notes कि हाँ भाई प्रतीक कह रहा है स्क्रीन प्ले टाइट हो सकता है, but still this is my idea of it. Also, one thing that I can say that I had a bit of a problem with was that I was expecting a better soundtrack here because first season ka soundtrack was amazing. It was by Vaibhav Bundu, who this time is the director. But I think this season it were mostly extended versions of previous season songs. So I would have wanted like a kick-ass album because TVF is always known for their soundtracks. तो I mean I remember आज सुबह में उठ रहा था एंड परमानेंट रूममेट्स का जो सीटी वाला पम परम पम 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 वो वाला ट्रैक मेरे दिमाग में घूम रहा था. पिक्चर्स का I need a dollar is what I need. Hey. So all of these songs मतलब वो बहुत groovy and वो tunes बहुत अच्छी थी. But इस सीजन में I honestly don't remember if there was a song that I would hum on a daily basis. He does the same old stuff. तो वो थोड़ा सा लगता है, but still it did the job and I think overall it was a nice Christmas watch and it was a nice hug from your past. मुझे तो ऐसा लगा because I was like transported back to 2015 and मेरा first year मुझे अभी भी याद है. And by the way, okay, this I haven't admitted to a lot of people, but Pictures has had such a huge impact on my life that my first breakup happened because I decided with the jury room. So yes, all the judgy comments, please aa jao. But yeah, I really liked Pictures season 1 and I think season 2 did justice to it. और मैं तो काफ़ी मूव हो गया था. मैं तो 2-3 जगहों पे I was like in my room, अंधेरे कमरे में मैं चिल्ला रहा था कि अरे वाह, finally they've got a CTO and oh shit, अब जीतू नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे, blah blah blah, pivot कैसे करेंगे. So I was totally sold. And if you're someone who has seen and has liked the first season, I think you'll like it. I think हमें अपनी सारी t-shirts वगैरह अपडेट करनी पड़ेंगी because तू beer है is not cool anymore, तू whiskey है. So I think we are all whiskeys. And this is, I think it might get edited, but if I barge into my founder's office and be like, let's make changes to our product and ये करते हैं वो करते हैं, the Quint, please forgive me, I have just been watching too much Pictures. So this was all about Pictures season 2. मुझे बताओ भाई सबसे पहले कि were you a fan of the first season and what was your favorite episode, catchphrase, character from the first season which you would want to watch in the second season, because there are a lot of Easter eggs from the first season. एक का मैं थोड़ा सा spoiler देता हूँ because that I didn't see coming and only the real Pictures fans know it. Svetlana is coming back. So yes, in a very small way. So yes, that was all about Pictures season 2. This was Prateek and I'll see you in the next one. Do I Like It is a Quint original podcast executive produced by Shelly Walia and Ritu Kapoor. This episode was hosted, produced and edited by Prateek Lidhu. It uses audio from the show TVF Pictures and the theme music is from BMG Production Music. You were listening to the Quints podcast.